So then it's a wonderful start, and here we go. It's the first Chauhan and Sons maximum, and what a way to strike on the back foot. बहुत ही खूबसूरत शुरुआत. Again going for a big hit. He just gets a single. So yes, that's a very good start. 7 runs on the scorecard in the first over itself. And it will be Somin Gada on the batting end. A good leg turn. And a chance of a run out. They have appealed, but then the umpires remain unmoved. A lifeline for the batsman here. 7 without a loss in the first over. Now that was in the air. A chance for a single for the batsman to rotate the strike. First over gone, it's 8 on the scorecard. So yes sir, can we know the bowler's name? तो चलिए फर्स्ट ओवर के बाद स्कोर है 8 रन. धवल मेहता आए हैं बॉलिंग एंड पर. Vikings and the United having hand on hand in the first match. Now that's smashed away for yet another Chauhan and Sons maximum. Oh, that was in the block hole. A chance. A good backup. $14 runs in 1.3 overs. That's a good start, but remember it's an 8 overs game. So maximum 60 to 70 odd runs will be quite fightable score. Kunjan and Somin equally contributing with the bat. Again in the air towards the mid wicket for yet another single. Good running between the wickets. We have seen 2 big hits in the innings so far from both the batsmen. The right and left hand combination here. That's a nice Yorker delivery. Very well played. A dot ball. This time a chance of an extra run. White ball being signaled. That's driven. Oh, was there a chance? Very well fielded in the follow through. End of 2 overs. It's 16 runs on the scorecard. Nikhil Desai to bowl the 3rd over. It's 16 on the scorecard. That's a nice stroke. Bowling round the wicket is Nikhil. A single on the very first ball. Oh, a swing and a miss. A 360-degree turn here, beating the left-handed batsman. Oh, again a nice delivery, putting the batsman into 2 minds. That's a nice stroke down the ground. It's a Chauhan and Sons maximum. Such a beautiful sight to view. Again it's in the air. It's the same result. Chauhan and Sons maximum. Yes, it's a sure weekend here. That's a nice delivery. Nice comeback by Nikhil. 4. Yes, 3 overs gone. It's 29. 29 is the score. Vikings electing to bat first. Well, it's a good start. Bowler name, please. Neha Jain, it is right? Yes. Thank you so much. 29 without a loss. It's a 29 run partnership. On the back foot. The ball replicates off the upper net. Single run. 30 runs. The score moves on. They are going at the run rate of 9.47. Well, that's a very good start to the right and left hand combination. So, well, it's a dot ball. Nice piece of a bowling here. On the back foot, and it's a Chauhan and Sons maximum. Our sixer sponsors, Atik Chauhan from Chauhan and Sons, will be quite happy with the start on the turf number 4. Again, played officially. It's a single being added. The score is 37 runs. For the right-handed batsman, again a chance. The ball touches the upper net. But they are maintaining the run rate. Yes, with this single, it's 38 runs. Amit bhai, bowler. Tushar to bowl the 5th over. Well, it's 38 on the scorecard, but then they need more often of this, the big strokes. In the air, the ball touches the side net and goes towards the boundary line. The first boundary being sponsored by Prashant Vora from Data Point. 42 runs with help of this boundary. Again a nice strike, but straight to the hand of the fielder. It's a Gadlawala Stores wicket. Can we know the fielder's name? Manan the fielder. Making no mistake, the big wicket falling here. Somin has to walk back. Sumit comes to bat for the first time in the tournament. Manan was a fielder at the boundary line. The first wicket falls. The wicket by Gadlawala Stores. On the back foot. It's a dot ball. This time it will play toward the covers region for a single. .43 is the score. 43 for 1. Round of the wicket. Oh, lucky enough. The ball hits him on the legs. There was an inside edge, a dot ball. Coming down the track, it's been played into the gap for a single. Such a good over this is. We saw a boundary and a wicket, and all the animated scene in one over. 44 for 1 after 5. It's a quite interesting match. The first match. Manan Sanghvi. 44. Oh, that's a nice turn. It's a dot ball to start Manan Sangvi. It's a no ball signal. First no ball of the day on turf number 4. 45 for 1. They need more hits. They need more runs here. Full toss. The ball touches the upper net. And a single. So certainly we can see the ball turning and the batsmen are in some trouble here. Now just so yes, all over we can see the emotions flowing in and that will be seen all the day, right sir? 47 for 1 is the score. 2 balls left in the over. He's been quite impressive. It's a wide ball and also the batsmen have crossed over for a single. 2 runs added to the tally. 49 for 1. It will be a very interesting match to be witnessed. Oh, it's in the air, straight to the fielder. It's a Gadlawala Stores wicket. Nikhil Desai, the fielder, making no mistake. 49 for 2. चलिए स्कोर हो चला है 49. And it's the batswoman walking in the middle, Nida. 49 for 2. The last ball coming up of the 6th over. That's a good stroke and a very good catch. That's the 3rd wicket. Good attempt. But then the 3rd wicket falls on the score of 49. EPL Season 10 brought to you by Manan Sangvi from Lembe Infra. Co-sponsors Ashish Trivedi from Fun Fox. Co-sponsor Neil Gandhi from Neil Neeraj Music. Sixes by Atik Chauhan and Sons. Boundaries by Prashant Vora, Data Point. Wickets by Nirav Mehta, Gadlawala Stores. Extra and kits by Bhumit Chaudhary from Smart Box Advisors. Karthik. Oh, sorry, I beg your pardon, it's Tushar. Oh, such a nice delivery. Tushar continuing his second over of the spell. It was a dot ball to start. A fine edge. In the air, into the gap. It's a Chauhan and Sons maximum. So 50 runs are on the scorecard. अरे तालियां बजाइए, 50 रन पूरे हो चुके हैं आपके. 55, 56 with help of this wide. I guess, sir, it's a request to everyone, please. Umpires will give their decision. It will be the final. Please cooperate, sir. 56 for 3. Now, suddenly that's a very good hit. Chauhan and Sons maximum. (62 for 3). And Kunjan moves on to 40 of 24 balls. On the back foot, it's in the gap. The ball going between two fielders. One more run added. 63 for 3. Once again an inside edge. Lucky enough the batsman survives. 1 to go. A chance for a catch. Oh, there's a chance for a run out, but missed out. With that, over comes to an end. 7 overs gone. It's 63 for 3. We'd like to thank our t-shirt sponsors, Aman Bhimani from Playtime, trophies by Manish Vora, Red Moments, the 63 for 3, Nikhil Desai to bowl round of the wicket. Oh, that's a loopy delivery. A chance, miss out. The ball falling short. They are going for the second one. No. It's a run out in the second attempt. But most important is Kundan. He's on strike. Karthik is the new batsman. Kundan playing on 42 of 27. Kunjan. Okay, I beg your pardon. Kunjan playing a very handful knock here. Again going down the ground. That's very well fielded. A chance. One more single. 65 for 4. Can they get 1 or 2 big hits? It will be a very respectable score. Driven. Oh, the misfield helps to score a data point boundary. $69 for 4. This time no chance for the batsman. It's a wicket for Nikhil Desai. The wicket being sponsored by Gadlawala Stores. Alok comes into bat. Last ball. 69 is the score. One more left-handed batsman in the middle. $69 is the score. Well, they have scored a first run. They are going for the second one. A throw at the striker's end. A good piece of a running. And with this 2 runs, first innings comes to an end. They won the toss. They elected to bat first. And well, 72 runs, 48 balls. 72 is the target. Vikings, they won the toss, elected to bat first, and they have posted a respectable score. Target is 72. EPL Season 10 brought to you by Lambe Infra, Manan Sangvi. Co-sponsors Ashish Trivedi from Fun Fox. Co-sponsor Neil Gandhi from Neeraj Music. Sixes by Atik Chauhan, Chauhan and Sons. Boundaries by Prashant Vora from Data Point. Wickets by Nirav Mehta from Gadlawala Stores. Extra kits Bhumit Chaudhary from Smart Box Advisors. Food by Naina Kanal from PMK Foundation, beverages by Nikhil Desai from Garuda Pest Control. We can see the t-shirts being designed by Aman Bhimani from Playtime, trophies by Manish Vora from Red Moments, Man or the Woman of the Match Award by Hussein Windowala from Windowala India Private Limited, Man or Woman of the Series trophies Sachin Agrawal from Pearl Tosca Boss by Karthik Shah from Joya. And also we are extremely thankful to our graphic partner Kirti Agarwal and our physios Dr. Kinjal Jadhav. "72 run is the target." So yes, let's start the match. We have to finish the match in time. After every match, we have a 15-minute break so that we can have some decisions or the So yes, guys, let's start the match. We are almost running beyond the time. Let's start the second innings. Vikings versus United. We saw some big hits coming in the first innings, but now it's the chance for a United team to win the match. So yes, we are ready for the second innings. Team Vikings, can we please set up the field? It's a request to start the second innings. We have both the openers in the middle. Let's start the second innings. It's Kunjan to bowl the first over. And we have both the openers in the middle. It's going to be a very interesting run chase. 48 balls, 72 runs required to win the match. Dhaval and Nirav in the middle for the big run chase. First match on turf number 4. We would like to welcome all our dignitaries, all our members to EPL Season 10. Let's start, let's play is the call from the umpire. On the back foot straight away to keep it on. It's a dot ball to start. So in the first innings we saw Kunjan going after the bowlers and now it's a first wicket. He is clean bowled. It's a wicket of Gadlawala Stores. And without a score, a wicket has fallen. And Kunjan getting rid of the big fish here. But then it's Nikhil Desai who has arrived at the crease. The big man will surely look to go after the bowlers. He was quite effective with the ball, but now it's a chance to turn around the table with the bat. That's a sensible stroke. Respecting the delivery. Well, that was played towards The slips, not for any runs. 2 to go. Nicely played. The first run on the scorecard. One ball left in the over. The score is 1-1. That's a nice stroke towards the points. With that single, over number 1 comes to an end. It's 2 runs on the scorecard for the loss of 1 wicket. Sumit to bowl the second over. Oh, that's a nice ball. But then a nice coordination between both the batsmen. Three runs. As of now, the score is coming in the form of singles. They have lost 1 wicket. It was a full toss. Just a single added to the score. Coming down the track, it's in the air, straight to the field. 1 more wicket falls here. Nirav just tried to steer the long off region, but an easy catch for the fielder name. Please wait, just a second, Sumit sir. Ma'am, your name? Okay. Okay, thank you. It's a wide ball. The ball hitting on her legs. A bit of an off swing. 2 balls left in the over. Well, that was a full toss. It's a wide ball. It's a wide ball, 1 more extra here. The score moves on to 6 runs with help of this wide. Oh, it's turning to be a nice over for the Vikings. The score remains on 6. 2 wickets have fallen. Six for 2 in 1.5 over. It's a dot ball. 2 overs gone. It's 6 runs on the scorecard. Bowler name? So then it will be Karthik to bowl the third over. Nikhil Desai starts the over with a data point boundary. So from now onwards it will be the need of an hour. The batsmen need to go after each and every delivery. Down the leg side. Wide ball. Extra runs. Oh, the leading edge. It's a dot ball. Nikhil will surely try to keep the strike. Again, that's been flicked away, not for any runs. Some kind of a pressure here. 11 for 2. It's the third over in progress. Again, a nice delivery on the middle and off some. Giving the right treatment, but more dot deliveries, the more pressure it will be. 11 for 2. They are appealing. The ball swing away. That's a nice delivery by Karthik and very well kept by Sumit. Quick reflection here. 11 for 2. And a single taken on the last ball. 3 overs gone, it's 12 for 2. So yes, 60 runs more needed in 5 overs. Sixty runs needed in 5 overs, and Akshita comes in to bowl. Will Nikhil try to grab the opportunities in the over? Well, it's a no ball. One more extra, but they need some big hits. Almost 12 to 13 runs per over will be the asking run rate, and that's a very nice striking. It's Chauhan and Sons maximum round of the wicket. That's a very nice shot on the back foot. It's a data point boundary. That's a very well shot down the ground. Chauhan and Sons maximum. And the score moves on to 29. Well, that's a very big no ball. One more extra run here for the Team United. 30 runs. On the back foot, the ball reflecting off the upper net. 2 balls left in the over. Oh! How lucky is she? Getting a big wicket of Nikhil Desai. The score is 30 runs. Manan is the new batsman. Well, Nikhil tried his luck best, but he was played on. Well, it's an extra run here. 31 for 3. That's into the gap. And one more single added. But what an over this is. Akshita gave away same runs, but she got a very big wicket of Nikhil Desai. 40 runs are required in 24 balls. 40 रनों की जरूरत 24 बॉल्स में. मैच इक्वली बैलेंस्ड हमें यहां पर दिखता हुआ. एक बहुत ही बड़ी विकेट पिछले ओवर में, एंड श्योरली कहते हैं ना, एक रोमांचक मैच यहां पर पहली मुकाबले में हमें देखने मिलता हुआ. एंड ईपीएल सीजन 10 के लिए एक बेहतरीन स्टार्ट. बॉलर नेम कार्तिक. That's a very big hit, straight over the bowler's head. Such a good bat flow that was, and it's a Chauhan and Sons maximum. 38 runs. Good comeback by the bowler. It's 38 for 3. Again a full toss offered on the leg stump. Played back to the bowler. 4.3 overs. Yes, it's an data point boundary. Once it looked, it will travel, but no, it reflected off the upper net and went towards the boundary line. The score is 42 in 4.4. Manan playing on 11 of 5. It's into the gap. Sensible cricket. 43. The score moves on with help of the single. So then over comes to an end. 5 overs gone. It's 43 and 29 required in 18 balls. 18 गेंदों में 29 रनों की जरूरत. So the match is on here for the team United. At one point in the first innings, the Vikings were 44 for 1 and the United are 43 for 3. The game is on. Prashant Vora comes into bowl. Now that's played up in the air. The dot balls will make some pressure here. Vikings, they need wickets to win this match. And on the other end, United, they need some big hits. Yes, one more extra added to the tally. Clearing his front foot, played down the ground. One more dot ball. The rotation will be much more important here for the runs. Yes, he's not happy with his stroke selection, but still a very quite effective over here by Prashant. 3 balls left in the over. With each and every dot ball, the run rate will be binding on. Down the ground, and what a save that is. Two balls left. Only a single and that too in the form of extra. All the balls have been dot balls. A leading edge. And a single has been taken. The singles won't mind. 45 for 3. So that with this, the over comes to an end. Yes, the score 27 runs are required in 12 balls. 27 runs are required in 12 balls. Sumit Shetty. This over specially will make the scenario which team will win the match. 45 for 3. First ball that will play down the ground. Oh, it's a dot ball. Round of the wicket. Again an upper shot. It's a dot ball. With each and every dot ball, the pressure will be on the batting side. They need to rotate the strike. What a quick reflexes this is. Prashant stopping the ball. One more dot ball. Well, it's a white ball. Extras. तो जी हाँ, यहाँ पर स्ट्राइक का रोटेट होना बहुत ही ज़रूरी था. जितने डॉट गेंदें हमें देखने मिली, कहीं ना कहीं उतने रन्स भी बन सकते थे, बट यस, इट्स अ गेम ऑफ अ क्रिकेट. अनसर्टेनिटीज एट इट्स बेस्ट. 46 for 3. Nice piece of a bowling this is. This time a single will be taken. 6.5, 47. And a dot ball to end the over number 7. It's 47 for 3. 25 in 6. So each and every ball to be sended out of the boundary. Some messages being sent by the dugout. Manan trying his luck hard. He's playing on 14 of 17 deliveries. Alok Nag. हाँ सर, थोड़ी सी मस्ती मजाक भी होनी चाहिए क्योंकि सभी सीरियस है और इतने सीरियस क्रिकेट में मजा नहीं आता. एक्साइटमेंट होनी चाहिए, सभी के चेहरों पर मुस्कान होनी चाहिए. चलिए, आलोक की पहली गेंद ड्राइव किया पर डॉट बॉल. 72 रन्स का टारगेट है, बट अब 5 गेंदों में 25 रनों की जरूरत. बड़े हिट्स की जरूरत है. चलिए, इट्स ए नो बॉल. नो बॉल प्लस अ बाउंड्री. No ball plus data point boundary. Free hit. Yes. 5 गेंदों में 20 रन. चलिए, मैच इज ऑन. चलिए, रिलैक्स हो जाइए. फ्री हिट कंटिन्यू रहेगा. 5 गेंदों में 20 रन फ्री हिट का चांस है. एंड यदि मनन यहां पर बड़ा हिट लगाते तो और भी मजा आएगा टीम यूनाइटेड को. मौका था पर मिस हो गए. इनसाइड एज लगकर गेंद पीछे की तरफ. आलोक बहुत ही अच्छी गेंदबाजी करते हुए. ट्वेंटी रन रिक्वायर्ड. बैकफुट पर जाकर ये बेहतरीन स्ट्रोक. चौहान एंड सन्स मैक्सिमम. चलिए, वहां पर ऑलमोस्ट हाथ में आ गई थी गेंद पर रीड नहीं कर पाए और ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सिक्सर. 3 गेंदों में 14 रन्स की जरूरत है. मैच अब भी यहां पर मौका है यूनाइटेड के लिए. कदमों का इस्तेमाल एंड मैक्सिमम. Chauhan and Sons, sixer. Wow. 2 गेंदों में 8 रन. 2 balls, 8 runs. दो गेंदों में 8 रन, बहुत ही अच्छी वापसी, नाइस कम बैक अगेन यूजिंग स्पीड। ओ काफी इंपॉर्टेंट डिलीवरी थी और डॉट बॉल्स एक बॉल में। ओ डियर, ओ डियर, आई गेस अंपायर्स अपना डिसीजन देंगे। प्लीज एवरीवन कोऑपरेट करना है प्लीज। अंपायर सर, अंपायर सर, अंपायर सर, स्क्वायर लेग अंपायर, स्क्वायर लेग अंपायर, अंपायर सर। चलिए नो बॉल, फ्री हिट का मौका, द मैच इज ऑन, आखिरी गेंद। यस यस यस, इट्स अ नो बॉल, 7.4 ओवर्स। दो, एक मिनट सर, एक मिनट। दो गेंदों में 7 रन, ओके, दो गेंदों में 7 रन, 2 balls 7 runs। चलिए यहां पर एक और मौका मिला है बल्लेबाज को, दो गेंदे 7 रन। कदमों का इस्तेमाल ऑन साइड पर, मिसफील्ड। एंड मनन भाई ऊपर की तरफ देखकर शुक्रिया अदा करते हुए डेटा पॉइंट बाउंड्री। यस, सौरभ सर भी पूछते हुए कि भाई क्या सिनेरियो चल रहा है। वाओ, चलिए यदि मजा आया है तो सबसे पहले तालियां होनी चाहिए। यस, व्हाट अ मैच दिस इज बिन। चलिए आखिरी गेंद पर दोनों ही टीम्स के पास मौका है। 69 for 3, 7.5 overs, and we have commissioner ma'am along with us. So मैम आपको क्या लगता है, आखिरी गेंद है, 69 रन हुए, टारगेट इज 72। कुछ भी हो सकता है, बट द काइंड ऑफ स्टार्ट वी नीडेड। EPL सीजन 10, Vikings versus United, crucial moment in the game. Manan playing a very handy knock of 34 in 24। आखिरी गेंद, कदमों का इस्तेमाल, चौहान एंड सन्स मैक्सिमम।
Can we have the volume for this mic? Thank you.
Hello, hello. So guys, the first match has ended between United and Vikings and we have a winner. Perfect start to the EPL. United has won the first game. Can we have a special round of applause for Team United? So for the man of the match, for scoring 40 runs and taking 2 wickets, it's Manan Sangvi. Well, coincidentally, he is also our title sponsor. So, Manan calling Manan. So 40 runs and 2 wickets. Give a round of applause for Manan Sangvi. So we'll have Aman as a t-shirt sponsor. Give the prize to Manan. Please come ahead, please. And for taking 1 wicket in that lady over, the woman of the match goes to Akshita Bhambani. Can we have Sachin Agarwal here, a man of the series, man of the match sponsor, to present the prize to the woman of the match, that is Akshita Bhambani. Thank you everyone.
Can we have Manan and Akshita on the stage once again? Akshita, Manan. So the very first match of the entire EPL 10, Manan, we would like to ask what is your ask?
My ask, God stay with me like this throughout the tournament. Thank you. Thank you.
Akshita, the first woman of the match of the series, what is your ask?
My ask would be to not give more than 2 runs in any of the matches, because that is what is going to keep getting this home. So yeah.
So teams, watch out. She has this goal now. Okay. All right, the next match on top 4 is Jadoo versus Gladiators, and they are still playing. So we have a halt.
So Team United has a break of 1 match and after that they meet on turf number 3.
Vikings will be playing the next match with TMM on turf 3.
तीन ओवर में 40 है।